Hello everyone, it's me, Boy Love. Welcome you onto the show right about now. You tuned on to none other than BTM Before 5. Yes, olwalero nkuletedde Nati Nathan. Galaba tunyumya naye mpola mpola wana ku BTM Before 5. Yes, sigala busiga zao. Wamira Sun Love, the fresh voice. Yes, Nati.
Yo.
Ogambo otya mukama wange.
Ndishitedde ogambo otya.
Nkusanze kuguddeko.
Onsanze mu mirembe gyange nga ondaba just ndi ku power. Yeah.
Naye kiri kitya?
Kiri fine, can't complain. Yeah.
Enviiri za bulusi ziraba ndaba dread za black.
Munnaye enviiri nanti saloon teziri open okitegeera kati naye nosooka okuddayo mu natural then nga wetulindako quarantine eggwe then yeah mujja kudda mu mulabe. Yeah.
Quarantine eno kuyisiza etya lockdown eno nga gwe omuyimbi Nati Nathan?
Si bulungi because shows tezibadde they stopped shows. Kati era tubadde tulina okukyusamu strategy like zenga zinadde nokyusamu strategy. Era ndoza mundabe ku some online shows. Been doing online shows all of last month. Yeah, and I'm planning another one, special and different. So just omuntu kukola strategy mpya. Yes.
Nati Nathan. Tonavaayo gaba kawunga, tonavaayo gaba ku bijanjaalo. Gwe ng'omuyimbi lwaki tonavaayo gaba ku byakulya?
Because nange sinzali obulungi okitegeera, so why would I go out there when I don't have? If I had, I would have done something. N'abali mu arcade tebali mu kukola, nange siri mu kukola okitegeera. Yes, I'm not working. Yes, I'm at home. Yeah.
How is family?
The family is good and taken care of. Yeah, bebali ezange era bakyazirya.
Yes, twavaayo ne tulaba ku bufaananyi mwali mugenzeko out. Obufaananyi obwo ne bukyankalanya eggwanga abantu ne bagamba ya.
Munnaye sometimes okitegeera you have to oba okubaako ne where you fall back onto when you leave the music okitegeera you have to have a life okitegeera. Yeah.
Kiki ky'olabye ky'osobola okukyusaamu olwa lockdown enezze?
Actually the lockdown ezizzaamu n'amaanyi okitegeera because I'm a talented artist.
Yes, you are.
I can sing, I can dance, I can produce, I can write. So artists who are like me are trending so much. Because omuntu ali waka paying attention ku buli kimu ky'oli mu kukola oyimba ki osobola okuyimba oba sente zaffe wali oli azaabwerere. So nze just nze nazembuza maanyi like I just got more strengthened because that's what people want.
Tusuubire ki 2020?
Neera chupa bakyazikwata sitere kuba tebaagana chupa.
Beggalira mu mayumba ne
bazikwata which is okay. So just I have a new song, it's called Omunyo. So remember them pushing mpola mpola. Yes, ate oyimanyi tuli mu biseera bya munyo gwanoze tegwanoze okitegeera.
How are you managing to push your music?
What I've only been doing like kuba kati we're in this together as the whole industry okitegeera fenna tuli we are still under that budget economy yaffe sajja yagiyise erinnya liiryawo naye we are in this together. So I can call you up and I tell you like, you know what, this is my song, help me push and and I also quit scratch my back. So that's the way I've been pushing my work in this lockdown. Yeah.
Tulinawo ekiboozi ekibadde kitambula eyo ekya music wa Uganda. Talina identity. Gwe Nati Nathan, producer, muyimbi, songwriter. Olowooza ki ku music wa Uganda?
I think it has very many identities. For me, that's what I can say. Because I was with a couple of dancehall artists last time. Everybody was and we are here and we are entertaining people. So we have that dancehall sound. His type of dancehall sound. Katinaba, Luga Flow, we have the old school identity and there's the new school identity. And there's these ones, Abakuba urban style of hip hop. You see like Big Trail, Big Ben, kati Big Ben yakuba indigenous hip hop style. Okitegeera kati waliwo bano abakuba Afro. There's band Afro and there's urban Afro. Band Afro ndozo ogimanyi the Eagles production. Yes, those are all identities.
Does Nati Nathan have a manager?
Right now, yes, I have a personal assistant. But no. Yes, I have a personal assistant.
So you manage yourself?
Yes.
You injecting money yourself?
Yes.
Everything is done by you.
Yes.
Okikola otya?
Si kyangu naye ate munnaye that's what it is right now okitegeera. That's what it is. If nobody wants to Gondi, you have to do it yourself. You have to do it yourself. So I do it myself. I have my personal assistant. Anyamba ko kunkwasaganya ebintu. Ina anyamba ko ne social media if something needs to be pushed. I have.
Magezi kigo kozeseza okubanga osigala relevant mweno dancehall oba mweno system ya music.
Well, first thing nasoka nenva kuba fani. Like not kuba virako dala, but in a way that sometimes when you're two dancehall artists and you're trending, but fani babere bagala kolachi. Mu kompi, mu beefing. So I first cut off that part, and I was like, you know what? I know these people. Kuba the dancehall fraternity not to live a chat to a money, to have respect. So then I went back to myself. So I keep on competing with myself every day. What I did yesterday in the show, I want to do something better today.
Kano kankayiseo bwe mwali ku tag. Omukulu gwe mwali naye Herbert Skills.
Yes.
Wali ngambo ezayitingana nti yagwe ddalo.
No. I was with him, we spoke very properly, we have plans. We worked out the rollout rhythm with Vampino, Weasel, Wachtegera, Bini Ganta. He's very sane and very okay.
So he's okay.
He's okay. Those are false rumors. Those are rumors. Okay, yes. I've been more in studio like these times, like more than I used to be those days. Wachtegera, I can spend 3 days in studio and I create like 7 projects. So there's work coming from me and from collabos I have. I have very many collabos which are coming through around Africa. Waloje nakoze no mu Jamaica, waloje nkoze no mu Kigali, waloje nkoze no mwana we wa Fembale. Yeah, you just wait and see. It's going to be beautiful and massive. Exactly what you need. Yeah.